Who is God? This question has been asked by a lot of people, and if you're asking about his existence, the answer is yes. He exists, and he is one true God, and his name is Yahweh. Through him, everything was created. He is eternal and everlasting God. He is the beginning and the end. He was there before the earth was existed. He knows everything. He also knows your existence. He knows all your thoughts, all your happiness, and all your sufferings. And this Yahweh, the one true God, He can do everything. He can forgive your sins, and also He can save you from all your troubles. He is also everywhere, and if you want to know Him, He is able to find Him everywhere. And this one true God is interested in you. This is the God who loves you.